This is this combo bending machine about which we're talking, which can do up to 1.5 aluminium and stainless steel plus all profiles. Profiles I'm going to show you a bit later, yeah? Okay, this is how it looks. This is where the tape is staying, the coil, yes? 50-meter coils. This is computer. Inside this valve is computer. You see? There is the empty parts. Don't look on the mess. There is the machine. All main brains is on the end of the machine, which I'm not going to be able to show for you. There we feeding the tape, you see, tape going through there, and we're gonna use the knife system. Also the bending machine have 3 different heads. It's for the aluminium, it's for the stainless steel, and it's for the profile. So this is everything up to the thickness which you're using. This head, and this another head, yes. This is how the machine looks. Machines have to be connected with the compressor, which we're not supplying and which is not inclusive. Anything else in the machine is inclusive except compressor. Okay, in the machine you have options to use AI or they accept the format. So this is the format which you're making in the Adobe, and you can use them and transfer through the USB, or inside in the computer is USB as well, and you can use them. Okay, I'm gonna show you one of the file, one of the letters, so you can see how it is gonna work out and how it's gonna be using. Okay, you see this is a very easy. You're pressing the start point. So you can go on the, like on the flat tape, I'm gonna have a flat tape aluminium, and we usually connection point doing in the corner. You see, it's in the corner. For the profiles, you see, when it's done, it's not gonna be visible, nothing. For the profiles, we're usually doing on the top, and it's not visible from the down. You see, if you see. Also in the machine is have an option if you want to press endpoint. If you have very complicated product or like shape or something, you can press endpoint, and machine gonna do only the part which you have been choose. Now I'm gonna clear. Now I'm pressing again start point, and machine is automatically calculated how many materials you're gonna use. Also you can press all project, which is in one go. I'm gonna show you later on, and it's gonna calculate for you how the machine works. Okay, I have pressed it, and I just pressing the button run, and machine now is cutting. How deep cutting, how many times of cutting, it's up to you, and it can be done in the settings. For me, it's set up very deep and 3 times cutting, only because I have to show in the showroom. Now we have using the roller system. That's it, machine is ending, and I'm taking out the material. This usually we have a spare part. Some customers leaving, some customers taking off. Me privately is always taking out. Okay. This is double flat tape in the 0.6 thickness in 80 size. You can use the tools or you can use the manual by hand, so it's fully up to customer. As I have pretty deep cutting, I have able to do with the hands.
The same file you're using to cut the face on your CNC machine to be everything set up correctly. You see on the face is step to be able to put flat material.
I'm just using the same tape, yes, like the cover tape, because all our tapes is covered by the protection foil, so I'm using the same to at least a bit hold it something for me. And now for the flat tape, you see, it's the small step. So now I'm just, because this is the flat, so it has to go on the top here. So this groove is going inside in the, well, it was click. So this is very good sign. And now, you see, no holes, no nothing. From another side, letter looks like that, yes? Of course, after that is gluing process, welding process, or Sorry. Okay, I put it back, everything. And there, you see, I have the table where you can see everything is like, if I would press it, you can see it's no holes, no nothing. Yes, we're using the special pins like for this table and to make it like that. You see, then it's letter holding, so I can take the active spray, which is super glue, contact glue, to hold the letter, I wouldn't have no problems. And then we're using two components of the glue. For the flat letters, we're using usually the clear glue. This is white glue, but we're usually using the clear glue because there's no big shadows. And then we're gluing process with the glue gun, with everything and like that. Okay, and in the next video I will gonna show for you the laser welding machine, which is here, and I will gonna on it, and in the next video I'm gonna send for you.